Can math, the language of the universe itself, actually prove that God exists?
Well, one scientist with a world record IQ says yes, and he calls it the God equation.
He's not just suggesting it, he's claiming it's a 100% mathematical certainty.
So to really get his argument, you first have to understand the mind that it came from.
Yeah, that's his reported IQ, 276. It's literally the highest score ever recorded.
And to put that into perspective, it puts him in a totally different league than even Einstein or Hawking.
Okay, so what is this proof? Well, it's based on 3 simple, interconnected ideas. Let's dig in.
All right, first up is what he calls the first point. This is the foundation of his whole argument.
So Kim says this simple rule of geometry isn't just about lines. It applies to our entire existence.
And in his view, that first point, the origin of everything, is what we call God.
Okay, his second point tackles the tricky concept of time and infinity. This one's pretty cool. Think about it. You can't cross an infinite distance to get somewhere. He says time is the same.
So, for us to even exist right now, time must have had a starting point, a first moment.
And that leads us to his third and final pillar. Every single power needs a source. He says for the universe to even be created, there had to be an ultimate source of power.
As you can imagine, when he posted this, it just exploded online, sparking a huge global conversation.
And you can see his interest isn't just math. He pulls from beliefs in both Christianity and Islam.
So what he's doing is trying to bridge hard logic with ideas people have held for centuries.
But here's the big question. Is this really proof, or do you need faith to accept his starting points?